Welcome guys, so today I'm with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation and the Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you how you can link these two devices. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge your case and the earbuds inside at least to the 30%. At the bottom you can find lightning input for the cable. Next, you have to open the case, click and hold this back button, it appears right here, until this indicator on the front starts blinking on white. In my case they are already in the pairing mode, but after holding this button for like 2 or 3 seconds it will start blinking like that, and you have to release the button, then put this case open, do not close it. And next, on your Apple Watch, I guess I'm gonna zoom in to show you the better preview of it. Okay, right now it looks better. So what we have to do, we have to just simply open our Apple Watch. We have to go for the settings. Next, we have to go for the Bluetooth right here. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. There it is, it's activate. And right now we have to wait until the AirPods Pro 2nd generation pops on the list. As you can see, they appear right here. So click on them once. And as you can see right now, they will move to the top of the list. And right here we got, for example, the forget the device or just disconnect. As you can see right now, we are connected with our AirPods Pro on the Apple Watch. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.